First bite of Franklin's BBQ Brisket. Okay, after having breakfast tacos here in Austin, Texas, I'm finally gonna go to Franklin's BBQ. I've been dreaming about eating at this place for the longest time, and they have this really great system where it's just curbside right now instead of waiting in line like early in the morning, like at 5 a.m. to just try to get in for some barbecue before 1 p.m. So I'm gonna go ahead there right now. I ordered my food like 30 days ago online, and I'm gonna pull up and grab my food. Can't wait to eat this, guys. Okay, I made it here to Franklin's BBQ, and the lady told me to just pull up to number 2 for the curbside pickup, and then type in howdy, or you actually text howdy to a number, and they're gonna bring it out to you to the back seat, and I'll be ready to eat. Can't wait.
Order for Jeffrey.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. All right, I had to make sure I got everything there. It looks good. I'm gonna head back to the hotel and eat it there. Let's go. Hey guys, back at my hotel. I've been dreaming about this place for a long time, Franklin's BBQ. But I'm super excited. I can't wait to try it. I've been wanting to try their brisket for so long. Yesterday I went to Terry Black's, and their beef rib was really good, but their brisket was just okay. But it was still good, but I heard Franklin's, it's gonna be amazing. I wanted to get a big red soda because I guess that's a Texas kind of soda thing, but the grocery store only had certain sodas and I like cherry Coke. Look at all that bread. About, let's see, 2, 4, about 13 pieces of bread, 13 or 14 pieces of bread. Some, looks like some barbecue sauce. There's 3 kinds, I think. Yeah, 3 kinds of barbecue sauce. I also ordered some potato salad. Right. Mustard. It came with onions as well. There you go. Put that there. I love onions. And looks like there's pickles in there too. Some sliced pickles. Onions. Our first meat, I got 3 meats. So whoa, this thing is freaking greasy. Some paper towels here. Oh man, oh my gosh, I love this. Anything with the wrapper and food, I love. Feels like my birthday, opening a gift. Gosh, there's the ribs. I think I got a half pound of ribs and half pound of everything. Half pound of brisket, half pound of short baby back ribs, and a half pound of pulled pork. Okay, here's the brisket, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, that looks so amazing and so fatty and juicy and greasy. And here's the ribs. Can't wait to try that. And then the pulled pork. That looks amazing, guys. Okay. Oh man. Okay, by the color, I'll just say by the color. This one, the darker one, this one is called the Espresso barbecue sauce. And this one says, when you wake up at 2 a.m. every morning to start cooking ribs for the day, you might get a little hooked on caffeine, and one day you might suddenly realize that the smell of freshly brewed espresso perfectly complements the sweet smell of smoked meats. So this is like a coffee kind of sauce. And right here is the pork barbecue sauce. And the description says, we may be Texans, but we still love a good California style sauce. It's vinegary, light on the sugar, and will make you squeal with happiness. I'm already happy, guys. And I haven't even tried it yet. The Texas barbecue sauce. I think this is their main sauce. And it says here, for the description, it says, we're born and bred Texans and have a few thoughts about Texas style barbecue sauce should taste like. Ours is sweet and tangy, just like it should be. It'll cut through the rich smoky flavors while still letting your meat shine. Yeah, even the sauces are Something to look forward to. Guys, you know the first thing I'm gonna eat. Oh, it's already dripping. Oh my gosh. It's dripping with juices from that fat. Oh man, let's get a closer look at this. Oh, I can just see the juices. I'm just barely squeezing this, and you can just see all that juicy goodness of fat. This is gonna be tender, guys. It's gonna be juicy. I can't wait. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna do it without the sauce first. Let's get a closer look at that for you guys to see. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Okay, here we go. First bite of Franklin's BBQ Brisket. I can just float right now. Man. I don't know what I'm chewing. I could literally just put it in my tongue and it's just gonna melt. It's just so freaking soft. And unlike Terry Black's was a little salty because they over seasoned it. Here it's not too salty. And it's just the meat, guys. It's meat doing all the work. And whoever the smoker was knows what he's definitely doing. Oh my gosh. This is probably the best brisket I ever had. Honestly, I just took one bite. I already know. Because I don't need a fork. I'm just gonna rip it. Like, watch this. Oh my gosh. So good. Let's try it with the sauce. I'm gonna try with the regular Texas sauce. Okay, here you go. Let's try that. Regular Texas sauce. You don't need sauce, but when you dip it in there, you get that sweet, tangy, which is really good to cut through the fat. But you don't need sauce, but this just brings it up another notch if you want it a little sweet. Chase it with some of this potato salad. I'm gonna try these ribs. It looks just as soft as the brisket. Look at that. Oh man. Okay, there you go. Here's the bone. Fell right off the bone. I'm gonna dip in that Carolina style sauce. They say it's good with pork. A little too vinegary. I like vinegar, but it's a little too vinegary for my taste, but still good. Let's try it again. Oh, yeah, that thing is strong with vinegar. Oh my gosh. I'll try that espresso sauce. See how that one works. Dark and brown. It's like chocolate almost. I like that one. You do taste a hint of espresso. It's a little thicker than the Carolina one. It's vinegary, but not as vinegary as the Carolina one, but it's good. But my favorite is the Texas one, and then the espresso, and then the Carolina. When I went to Terry Black's yesterday, I was truly amazed by their beef rib and the barbecue overall. And I was wondering, like, how's it gonna get top anymore from that? And that was my first experience with Texas barbecue. But this right here, guys, this brisket. Just go here for the brisket. That's it, and you'll be fine. Just come here to Texas, eat Franklin's brisket, go back home, you'll be happy. All right, let's try the pulled pork. Look at this pulled pork. Oh man, it just shreds. It just shreds into pieces. And I'm gonna do that with the Carolina sauce. Oh. You can feel the texture in your mouth and shreds, how soft and tender it just tears apart in your mouth. Look at that, it just tears apart. Oh my god. I'm gonna dip it in the espresso one because I love that one too. Okay. I wish I could take this home, guys. So look at that outside layer. That's a good smoke, guys. Get that nice layer right there. Oh, that's the rib. I'm so happy right now. Look at that. It's just glistening, guys. It's just shiny. Look how shiny it is because of all that juice and the fat. Oh man. It just tears apart. That's Texas style brisket right there. Franklin's. You know, I came here to Austin, Texas, to photograph my friend's family who, I think they moved here already, or they're moving here from California. And they want me to take their family photos. But this whole time, when they asked me to photograph their family here in Austin, the whole time I was thinking about barbecue. Like, they told me about this about 2 months ago, and I went on to Franklin's barbecue website to order right away. You could order up to 42 days in advance, and I had to put my order in just in case I wasn't gonna be able to get any of this meat, and I got it right when I opened. If you go on YouTube and look up Franklin's barbecue, you'll see videos of people waiting in line from like 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. camping out there just to be the first one in line to get Franklin's barbecue. And they don't open until 11, and sometimes they say they run out by 1 o'clock p.m. Okay guys, I didn't finish it. It was way too much food. The only thing is when you order online, you have to order a minimum of a half pound of 3 meats. It could be a combination of different ones, or it could be the same meat, but you have to order a minimum of 3. So that's the only downfall. So if you're like by yourself, like me, here in Austin, I ordered 3 different items of meat, and it's just way too much. It's like good for 3 people, or maybe 4. So I put it aside. Maybe I could take it home to my wife and kids, and yeah. So I mean, it's still good. I mean, I'm gonna have a lot of food. So